How to use camera cards in sequencers. In this project we have the 2 characters, and here we have 3 camera. And the next I want to use these camera cards. And here we have the camera 1, and I will drag this to here. And I will click this one, and I will add camera 2. And you can see our camera 2 is added on the camera cards. And I move to here, and I will add camera 3. And you can see the camera cards have camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. But when I play it's nothing happen, because this is camera 1's view. So we need to click this one, and we play it again. And you can see our camera is changed. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.